What may be the key factors shaping contemporary conflict, and how do we analyze the unique challenges that are presented? This may be a severe question to the modern warfare society and the future battlefields. Today we'll discuss this topic very deeply. Our journey begins with the emergence of hybrid warfare and non-state actors. In contemporary warfare, they have played a significant role. What kind of role? Are you wondering about that? Before that, we'll see the effects of hybrid warfare. Hybrid warfare was able to combine conventional and unconventional tactics, blending military force, political influence, cyber operations and propaganda. Now to the previous one, yes, the non-state actors. Non-state actors are referred to as terrorist organizations and insurgent groups that have gained prominence and also challenged traditional notions of war. How do experts see this? They say that hybrid warfare represents a shift in how conflicts are conducted. What do they say about non-state actors? They say that non-state actors leverage their agility, decentralized networks, and asymmetric tactics to challenge conventional military forces. This requires a comprehensive and adaptable approach to counter such threats effectively. Experts also say that the rise of non-state actors highlights the need for a multidimensional understanding of contemporary conflicts. Traditional military strategies may not be sufficient in countering these dynamic and elusive adversaries. Collaboration, intelligence sharing, and efforts to address the root cause of extremism become essential components of conflict resolution. Next, we'll discuss information warfare and propaganda. Do you know that information warfare and propaganda have become significant tools in contemporary conflicts? Yes, it's true. The widespread availability of social media platforms and digital communication channels has amplified the reach and impact of propaganda. Actors engage in the manipulation of information to shape narratives, influence public opinion, and destabilize adversaries. So, what do experts say about information warfare and propaganda? They say that this blurring of truth and falsehoods pose unique challenges for governments, militaries, and societies at large. They also say that governments should take action and implement laws and educate the public about the risks and consequences of falling victim to the propaganda. So what's next? Next, we'll discuss asymmetric warfare and proxy conflicts. This asymmetric warfare and proxy conflicts are used to shape the landscape of conflicts. Asymmetric warfare involves an imbalance of power, where weaker actors employ unconventional strategies to exploit vulnerabilities and offset the strength of conventional forces. Proxy conflict, on the other hand, involve the indirect involvement of external powers in local conflicts. Asymmetric warfare allows weaker actors to level the playing field against stronger adversaries. Tactics such as guerrilla warfare, terrorism and cyber attacks capitalize on unconventional strategies, targeting vulnerabilities and exploiting weaknesses. Conventional forces must adapt their strategies to counter these asymmetric threats effectively. In addition, these proxy conflicts have become prevalent as external powers support opposing factions in local disputes. Also, these implications have regional and global implications. What are they? They can exacerbate tensions, prolong conflicts, and complicate diplomatic resolutions. Managing proxy conflicts requires diplomacy, cooperation, and a comprehensive understanding of the underlying dynamics at play. Our ultimate factor regarding key factors shaping contemporary conflict and how we analyze the unique challenges is technological advancement and weaponization. As in the previous video, the latest technology has also made an impact on shaping contemporary conflicts. From autonomous systems to aerial vehicles and cyber weapons, the modern battlefield has changed increasingly. Technology has revolutionized warfare, offering new capabilities and changing dynamics of conflicts. Unmanned aerial vehicles, for instance, provide enhanced surveillance and precision strikes, reducing risks to human lives. However, the weaponization of technology also raises ethical concerns and calls for robust regulations to ensure responsible use. The weaponization of emerging technologies presents both opportunities and challenges. While technological advancements offer strategic advantages, such as enhanced situational awareness and precision strikes, they also require ethical considerations, international norms, and legal frameworks to prevent unintended consequences and minimize civilian harm. As we analyze contemporary conflicts and the evolving nature of warfare in the 21st century, it becomes evident that traditional approaches must be re-evaluated. Hybrid warfare, information warfare, asymmetric tactics, and technological advancements demand new strategies and comprehensive understanding. Only by adapting to the complexities of modern conflicts can we hope to navigate the path to peace and stability. Join us again on the History Hub as we continue to explore the ever-changing dynamics of warfare, dissect emerging trends, and discuss the implications for global security and international relations.